How to make a Bank of America account online. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and in the search bar search for Bank of America. Right here, move into the very first site, Bank of America. You will be landing on this page. At the top, you can see the option of login. Tap on it. Click on continue to login. We're looking on creating an account, so tap on enroll. You will be landing on the page where you'll be able to create an account for Bank of America. The very first thing you want to do is to enter the card or account number and then enter the social security number or tax ID number. If you don't have the social security number, you can tap on this option. And now you can simply enter your saving account number, your debit card number, and the debit card PIN. Once you are done, simply tap on continue. And then your Bank of America account will be successfully registered and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can make the Bank of America account online. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.